Okay, now here's how you can remember the rule. Okay? How would you express 2 raised to the c equals a on this graph?
2c would be x and a would be y.
Yeah, well, c would be your x, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't, the 2 is not part of the c. So, yeah, means you've got c here. Then you're going to have a here, meaning that this point is the point CA. Right? Well, what point corresponds to this on the graph of the log? How do you get the how do you get the table for the log? You reverse the x and the y, right? Okay? Which means that you reverse the coordinates of any point on this graph, so that the point on this graph over here will be the corresponding point on this graph is AC, right?
Yep.
So that means A would be like out here. And C would be here. Meaning that log base 2 of A equals C. Because that's exactly what it means for the point AC to be on this graph. This is a graph of log base 2 of x. If x equals A, then you got log base 2 of A. Okay? And if 2 to the c equals A, then log base 2 of A has to equal C, and that's all this says. Okay? Now, if you can lock that idea in, it's very helpful in remembering this really important rule. Now, not everybody thinks in terms of graphs in such a way that that's the easiest way to remember this, but many people do. Okay?
I know it's squishy.